Hello to all our virtual friends and subscribers. We are here again, becoming an expat. I am eLearning Snyder and
I'm Wade Snyder.
So today, guys, we are gonna share with you the first Filipino lesson of Wade. So he's gonna be learning the old Tagalog or Filipino alphabet, the abakada, because I think that would be the best way for him to learn. So he would only be learning about the syllables, or the pantig in Filipino, excluding the foreign letters.
Let's just say that my sweet wife has been a teacher for 12 years. This will be her greatest challenge. So I think instead of a long-winded introduction, let's just jump in and see how badly I butchered this.
No.
How
You
do
will
we
learn this
how do we
quickly,
say?
Han, I promise.
How do we say?
Okay, so I'm gonna show you, honey, your first lesson. I actually made this video earlier.
And this video is up for anybody who wants to try to learn along. Be our guest.
Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready.
So first, I'm gonna show him the lesson I made, and then after that, he's gonna try to pronounce all those abakada. Okay, here you go.
Ang abakadang Filipino. A, ba, ka, da, e, ga, ha, i, la, ma, na, nga, o, pa, ra, sa, ta, u, wa, ya.
It's pretty easy, right?
Okay. It is, because most of it is just like you would do in English, except for I is O.
No, I is e.
Eh?
E. The e like eagle, e, and the I is e. It's like a heart e. And O is the same in English, O. And U will be pronounced as U, like
Ooh.
a hard U. Okay.
Ooh, okay.
Oh, but Okay, so do you want to try it?
Sure.
Okay, so this time around, I'm gonna mute it, and you're gonna try to pronounce the abakada. Okay, so guys,
Follow along at home. This should be fun.
there you go, babe. Ang abakadang Filipino.
A, ba, ka, da,
Same in English. E. Ga.
ha, I, la, ma, na,
Nga.
o, pa, ra, sa, ta,
U.
wa, ya.
There you go. You made it right. I think you're doing well, honey. Okay, so that was your first lesson. So it's just pretty easy. I'm just introducing to you the abakada. And then tomorrow, for your second lesson, we will be doing the syllables, like the ba, be, bi, bo, bo, ka, ke, ki, ko, ko. Don't worry about that.
The basics, what we're trying to do here is teach me the correct way to say Tagalog words, and eventually we'll be learning to speak Tagalog, and I think that might be something that other people who have considered either a trip to the Philippines or retiring there may find helpful. So if you do, follow along. This will be fun. It's an adventure.
And honey, the main goal for you is to learn a different language.
Absolutely.
So that when you retire, you will not suffer from what disease was that?
Nosebleed?
Alzheimer's.
Alzheimer's. True. Learning a different language helps with Alzheimer's. I'd forgotten that. Anyway, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my lovely wife's channel. She works very hard on it. And we will see you hopefully again tomorrow.
Okay, guys. Bye for now.